It looks like it's been ages since I did any kind of unboxing on my channel, and today we're gonna do unboxing, getting ready for fall and winter. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna share with you few pieces, actually not few, couple of pieces that I got for fall winter. And usually it will maybe sound strange for someone, but I'm getting ready for fall in summer, and all these items I got during the summertime, and I got it in a major discount. So I want to share with you tips on how I purchasing something on the discount and why I shop in summer for the fall and winter. But before we proceed, if you're into fashion, if you're into luxury, if you're into specifically handbags, because I'm an absolute handbag addict, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm absolutely positive that you're gonna find at least some useful information on my channel. Today we're gonna talk about Versace. I have some new item from Versace, and then I have some item from Valentino. Both of these items, as I already mentioned, I got during the summer months. And the first things that I want to talk about is Valentino. And from Valentino I got this gorgeous coat, absolutely gorgeous. It's almost kind of like a cape style, and I absolutely love it. Lately I also so much into not so fitted style per se, and if you look at the fabric, it's almost like a houndstooth. Just gonna bring it a little bit closer so you can see it's almost like a houndstooth fabric, and it has kind of enclosed buttons at the front and almost like a raglan sleeves. You can see how beautiful detailing on the sleeves. Overall it's very simple style, but because of such a, let me just take the hanger off, because of such a simplicity, this type of the coat will be in fashion for many years to come. And before I used to buy pieces that kind of more you know, fashion forward per se, with unique colors and shapes, etc. Nowadays I'm gravitated to more simple styles, such as this one, a houndstooth that will never gonna go out of style. Very simple side kind of slip pockets. I love the lining, because you can see it's kind of almost like a crushed fabric. Very beautiful. And as I said, because it's kind of has almost like a trapezoid shape, it will never gonna go out of style. It will look absolutely perfect with the high boots. It will look absolutely perfect with the short boots. It will look perfect with denim. It will look perfect with the short skirt, so you can wear it also on top of the evening dress, just kind of like, you know, putting on top, because as I said, it almost has a it has a trapezoid shape, almost like a cape style. And lately I'm into this kind of fashion, something that's not restricting my movement, something that I know it's in fashion today, and I know it will be in fashion in 10+ years because of such a unique style. And the fabric is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna bring it once again a little bit closer. It has a mohair and wool in it, so it's absolutely gorgeous. So this is kind of like, you know, fabric will stay in fashion forever. So this is my first piece, and I got this piece from Farfetch. And as I mentioned, I got this piece during the summer months, and I believe I got it about like close to 50% off. I got really major deal on this coat, and it's very light, but at the same time very warm. And I'm absolutely positive, even with the Canadian winter, when it's not minus 20 per se, I still can wear it, keeping in mind that I'm just going from my house to the car and from car to the shopping. It's still very appropriate piece, but at the same time it's not heavy, even if I have to walk inside the mall, so I'm not gonna feel so heavy and hot per se. So the second item is from Versace, and as I mentioned, I got it also during the summer months, and I got it on sale as well. So let me just... So that's how the envelope looks like. It's really cool, almost like kind of like a holographic style. And it says Versace over here. Most likely it will be very hard to read. And as I mentioned, it was 30% off sale during the summer months. So I'm very happy that I was able to score this item from Versace. Oh, it's also some kind of like, you know, marks, if someone is collecting marks. And I mean, kind of almost like a postmarks, really, like almost like a post stamps. Because it's from the summer, believe it or not, it's already a little bit dusty. So let me just open it up. Comes with the dust bags. And I have a boots. So this is Versace boots. I got them in size 37. They're quite substantial winter boots. Let me just remove the box. And that's how they look like. So it's clearly a simple combat style boots. I love that it has very rigid bottom. At the bottom over there, I hope you can see it, it has Medusa head, which is also very beautiful, kind of little bit of touch. Versace says at the bottom, made in Italy. The safety pin, it's very classic Versace design. I love that they're kind of fastened at the front, but at the same time I have a zipper on the side, because I love those kind of combat style boots, but doing the laces up and down every single day is not practical to me. So let me remove it. They're kind of like almost like a cushion inside, and inside also right there it says Versace. Really love them. I think they're absolutely practical for any type of the winter, and even Canadian winter when it's extremely cold, because the bottom is quite thick and rigid. It's very easy to wear these boots. So let me once again remove it here. And as I said, I got it in my regular style, regular size 37. Absolutely gorgeous Versace logo right there on the safety pin. Very classy. They're in fashion today, and I'm absolutely positive 5 seasons from now they're still going to be in the fashion, because this is the classic style of the boots that you could never go wrong during the winter months. So that's about it, what I want to share with you today. And as I said, I got this at 30% off, and my coat I got it at 50% off. My coat I got from Farfetch, and these boots I got from Toronto boutique, Versace Toronto boutique. So really happy with my purchases. Feels that I'm absolutely ready for fall and winter for that matter, and I think they're absolutely classy pieces that you could never go wrong. In fact, if you, because Versace is pretty much my first ever pair of boots from Versace. If you already have these boots, because they're pretty much their classic model, if you already have these boots, please share your opinion. How do you like them? Are they wearable enough? Will you buy them again, per se, if you already had these boots for quite a bit of time? On my part, I definitely gonna give you an update in few months how I love these beautiful boots. So that's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.